Oakley Sutro Lite. Hey gang, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and today I'm going to be giving you an owner's review of a Oakley sunglasses that I bought for myself, and I went all out and I ordered me a custom sunglasses. Okay, now for many, just like many of you, I didn't believe in spending a lot of money on sunglasses, maybe like 50 bucks or less. So what comes in the box, you can see it's a custom box, comes a little paperwork and in the case and the glasses. So I bought one Oakley, and I was like totally in love with it because, you know, it did what it says and a lot more. So I became a fan of them, and I ended up bought, you know, 6, 7 more Oakleys. Okay, now there are companies out there that charge a lot of money and they don't deliver. They provide low or inferior products. Oakley's not one of them. Now let me put the disclaimer out there. I bought these glasses with my own money. I'm the actual owner of them, so I'm not a bike shop or glass store or anything like that. I don't have a dog in the race.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
So I bought these Sutro Custom Lite, and I was basically able to design it the way I want. You know, I added the little gold right there. I added the little gold right here. This is the Prizm technology, and it's gold. This is the Sutro Lite. The difference between the Sutro versus the Sutro Lite is that, one, the bottom of the frame is cut off, so it makes the sunglasses a lot lighter, and 2, you get a little bit more of this plastic obtainium, whatever they call it, grip, which is really works really good, because the more sweaty you get, this thing becomes more stickier. Same thing with their nose pad. That's why these glasses are so awesome, and why I bought so many of them, because when I'm riding bicycles, they don't slide down my face, okay, which is pretty amazing. So this is the Sutro Lite Custom, and what I did is I picked the white frames. I was able to change the handlebars. I was able to customize what I want on here, the logo here, which is all gold, and then at the end I was able to put the lenses on there. Okay, so these things are truly amazing. A couple of reasons why I really like Oakley's is, one, they have great customer service, ladies and gentlemen. From my experience, when I had a problem with them, they always take care of me. Okay, so that means a lot to me, after sales support. Number 2, they give you a lot of stuff, right? They give you the glasses, they give you the bags to clean it, they give you the case. Okay. Number 3, their products deliver. You know, what do I mean by that? They're super light. Well, when I put it on my face and I'm riding bikes for 50 miles, you know, or 60 miles, 70 miles, pretty much all day, I totally forget that I have these things on. Okay, that shows you the comfort level. Okay, any other glasses I ever owned, you know, they would leave a little red mark underneath my nose because they were so heavy, and I always had to feel them. So I don't even feel them. Okay. Number 3, their Prizm technology is truly amazing. You know, I mean, like the contracts that the lens provide is truly out of this world. It makes everything more popping and easier to see. Okay. Now, when you add it all up, great customer service, amazing light frame, amazing technology when it comes to lenses. You're able to customize it the way you want. You know, then if you're like me, then you become a raving fan, and then you support companies that make great products, great service, versus companies that just are hype. And before I bought my very first Oakley, I thought Oakley was a hype, right? That's why I decided to invest in one and test it out. And I was so lucky that they were not hype. They actually made everything so nice. Now, of course, you're not going to be able to tell the difference of the lens through this demonstration because, you know, the technology of the lens doesn't activate to you have UV, to you actually have sun, and there's no sun in here, okay? So, if you have any questions about the Sutra, this is the Sutro Lite. If you have any questions about, you know, how they feel, if I have any problems with them, things like that nature, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Again, I bought this with my own money. I don't have a dog in a race, and I'll tell you to you just like it is. No fluff. That's why I'm Mr. No Fluff. Thank you for watching. Click the like button, and always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy. Peace, man.